When water starts coming through the ceiling, you need it stopped fast. Some contractors will look at massive roof damage and offer a quick fix, explicitly promising to save you money by skipping the city paperwork. This decision tree maps out how roof work is legally classified. If you need a targeted fix, like replacing a few blown-off shingles, that is a minor repair. It solves an isolated symptom and does not require a permit. But look at the right side. Removing old roofing, replacing underlayment, or altering ventilation changes the entire roof assembly. This is a system-wide scope. Some contractors will strip and replace a massive section of your roof and still call it a simple repair. They do this specifically so the job avoids the permit threshold. When you accept that mislabeled quick fix, the contractor steps away from the legal requirements. You, the homeowner, inherit 100% of the liability for any code violations left behind. Many homes in Burbank rely on aging legacy roofs. These structures hide outdated framing, poor attic ventilation, and multiple layers of past remodel work. Because of those hidden variables, the City of Burbank explicitly classifies re-roofing as a Tier 1 building permit application. The 2025 California Building Code introduces stringent energy and fire rating standards. Older installations severely lack the materials and design required to meet these modern safety benchmarks. Going through the city process ensures those vulnerabilities are caught. The permit is the framework you need to legally bring a vulnerable, older property up to safe, modern standards. This matrix breaks down your replacement options. The left overlay method is cheaper and faster, but traps moisture, masks rotting decking, and adds unnecessary weight. The right tear-off method removes old material, exposing bare decking so contractors can make structural and flashing fixes. A complete tear-off requires a higher initial investment and permit approval. In exchange, it guarantees full warranty compliance and a lifespan of 20+ years. Choosing an unpermitted overlay leaves the actual structure of your home decaying beneath a cosmetic facade of new shingles. Some roofing contractors will tell you the job will move faster if you pull an owner-builder permit yourself. By signing that specific application, the city legally recognizes you, not the roofing company, as the general contractor for the project. You immediately assume total liability. If someone is injured on the job site, or if a subcontractor makes a structural error, or if the final city inspection fails, the legal and financial burden falls entirely on you. A professional roofing contractor should pull a Tier 1 permit under their own license. If they refuse, they are forcing you to subsidize their risk. The true cost of undocumented roof work usually surfaces years later, either when a major storm hits or when you decide to sell your property. Insurance companies heavily scrutinize unpermitted roofs after storm damage. Adjusters often demand proof of code-compliant installation before they will approve a massive payout for a new roof. During a home sale, buyers, appraisers, and lenders look for official documentation. They view major unpermitted roof work as a liability risk, which triggers heavy price discount requests during escrow. A permitted roof works in your favor. The public record acts as verified proof that the home received a legitimate, high-value capital improvement. Securing a Tier 1 permit takes more time up front, but the process protects your property valuation and secures your standing for future insurance claims. This chart matches roof damage to the right legal solution. If damage is isolated, a minor unpermitted repair works. But for recurring leaks, old layers, or if selling soon, you land top right. A permitted tear-off is the only viable path. Your timeline and the exact scale of the damage dictate the scope of the project. The rule is straightforward. Never alter the core roof system without creating an official public record. Guessing where your project falls between a minor patch and a Tier 1 replacement puts your property equity on the line. Be cautious of contractors who dismiss local building codes or treat city permits as optional suggestions to win a bid. For a clear, code-compliant evaluation before any work begins, trust Roof Repair Burbank. Contact Roof Repair Burbank today. They integrate the permit process directly into the project scope, protecting your property value, your insurance file, and your peace of mind long before the first shingle is touched.